So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy cryptocurrency in Wealthsimple here on the Wealthsimple Trade app. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, next thing I want you to do is go to whatever account you want. So I'm just going to go to where it says my non-registered account right here at the bottom. So where it says my accounts, press on non-registered. Then once you're here, I want you to go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. So this option right here at the bottom. Next thing I want you to do is go to where it says trending categories, and we can go ahead and where it says crypto, press on crypto right here. So then once you're here, there is 64 cryptocurrencies you can select from. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD coin, basically whatever coin you want. There's a whole bunch of different ones listed on the Wealthsimple app, so you can go ahead and choose whatever one you want. So if I just wanted to press Bitcoin, for example, you can press on Bitcoin, and then if you want to buy it, go to where it says buy at the bottom. And then where it says open up a crypto account, you can buy and sell crypto. You can press continue and open up a crypto account that way and just go through the simple process of buying cryptocurrency through the Wealthsimple app. So I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.